Hi my beautiful Sparks family, it's your girl Kaylee Sparks here with you today, and today I'm going to get a silk press. Alright, so I'm going to show you step by step on how to do your silk press. My hair was detangled last night and now I'm going to wash my hair. I have two different shampoos that I'll be using in my hair, and I'm going to leave a list of everything that you're going to need, and it will also be on my Amazon storefront to get these items. Alright, so let's jump into this, y'all. So today is my birthday, y'all. Alright, so before we jump into this video, please listen carefully. If you scratch your scalp and it have cut this hairstyle, you're going to have to rest your scalp and come back. Alright, if your hair is damaged, this is definitely not for you. Go and do some protein treatment and some deep conditioning of your hair to get it healthy. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do in my hair, so I'm just telling you what I did to my daughter here, and I'm just showing you step what I'm going to do to my hair. I did not send you all to go and steam press your hair. Alright, so make sure that you are doing this the correct way, because I'm going to show you how to do it without getting a heat damage and how to get it properly done in this humid climate. Alright, so the first thing first we are going to use is this detox clarifying shampoo, and I'm only going to use this to wash my hair one time. Then I'm going to go on, and the brand is Naked. Alright, I leave everything in my Amazon storefront. You can get it there, and it also helped me, y'all. So do this for my birthday, y'all. So this one is the BIO-pHUSE refreshing shampoo. This is what I'm going to use next after using the detox shampoo, and this is going to use just one time. Alright, so detox, then refreshing shampoo. Then I'm going to go on to my Naked in moisturizing whip condition, and you're going to need a steam cap for this because I will be sitting under the dryer. So before I tell you everything, which we have more, please do not skip this video so that you can get the information correctly. Alright, so the brand is Naked. So now I'm going to start with the detoxing shampoo. So let's jump into this. So I actually have in the detox clarifying shampoo in my hair right now, and do not use your fingernail, just use the tip of your finger to scrub your hair. Do not irritate your hair scalp, right? So as you can see, my hair is shrink right now, but this is what you got to do to remove all the oil and build up on your hair so that you will have a good result, right? So I'm going to wash out this and then apply the refreshing shampoo in my hair, and I'll be back with you all. So a little tip for you all: when you're using this one, the BIO-pHUSE refreshing shampoo, you don't need a lot. You just need a little bit because it's very light and it have a great smell. Both of them have a great smell, but this one is very suddy, y'all. As you can see, my hair is suddy, and I only use a little bit in my hair. So remember, don't use your fingernail, use the tip of your finger and scrub. Alright, so I'm going to wash this out of my hair, and next we are going on to the honey and almond whip. Let me make sure I tell you the exact word: the honey and almond moisturizing whip condition. So that's what we're going on to next. So I rinse out the BIO-pHUSE refreshing shampoo out of my hair, and now I have the condition in my hair. It's the honey and almond, it's the Naked honey and almond conditioner. That is it. Alright, so after I apply it already in my hair, but I think I need a little bit more into the back section. So for this section, alright, let me give you some instruction on this, although you will already see it. when you buy yours. Alright, so after you apply the condition in your hair, you're going to detangle your hair with a wide tooth comb. Alright, and for me, alright, if you don't want it to be like super straight or anything, you just have it in your hair for 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, and then rinse it out. But for me now, I want this to give me the full process, so I'm going to detangle my hair with the white teeth comb, and then I'm going to section my hair into 4 because my hair cannot hold under this steam cap. So after when I do that, I'm going to sit under a dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, and when I do that, I'll show you the results. Alright, so I did 15 minutes under the head over blow dryer. Now I'm going to cool off and then rinse out my hair. So after I rinse out my hair, I will be using my Yellowbird blow dryer. I'm not sponsored by any of these brands nor by Naked. The brand are good, so that's why I'm telling you all about it. I'll also leave the Yellowbird in my Amazon storefront so that you all can just get everything that you need there. Alright, and you also can shoot me up a message, and I also may can tell you where you can get it otherwise from there. Alright, so before blowing out my hair, I'm going to use 2 other products from the Naked line. I'm going to use the Infusion 365. It helps create amazing hair. That's what it said on the product. Alright, and I'm also going to use the Naked Satin Silken Glass. This is it. Alright, so I'm going to just cool off and rinse out my hair, and then I'm going to show you all what I'm going to do next. So continue watching. So my location is changed. I'm now in the bathroom, so I hope you're all hearing me good. Alright, so I just rinsed out my hair, and now it's time for me to add the products and blow out my hair. So I did my hair in section so it'd be more easier. So I'm gonna start with the Infusion. Alright, I'm just going to pull this and then apply the product. So you can pull everything if you want to pull everything and do it, but for me, I'm just going to go section by section to make it more easier for me. So I'm going to start with the Infusion 365, and remember they said help create amazing hair. So I'm just going to spray it all over my hair from the end of my hair to the root. And this is also a detangler at the same time. Rub it in, and now I'm just going to add just 2 drops of this to the section of my hair. And this one is the Satin Silk Glaze. Alright, so just a little, it's not even showing. So I'm just going to rub that all over my hair and then add the blow dryer now to it. So I put away my hair, just going to take my finger part a little section away that I'm going to use the blow dryer on. Use my section clip and clip away that section, and now I'm starting with the blow dryer. Starting from the end and work my way up. Finish blow out this section, and I'm going to go on to the next one. And the key to get a good silk press is to get a good blowout. So once your blowout is good, then your silk press will be great. Alright, so I'm going to do this off camera and come back. So I just finished my blowout, and this is not the perfect blowout, but this will do. Alright, so the next method that I'll be doing is optional. You don't have to do it, but I like doing it because it make it more easier for me. Alright, so I'm going to use my straightening comb. This one have a gauge on it at the side, and you can see the numbers here with which gauge it is, and it have the on and off button as well. And this will make me don't have to be using the flat iron on my hair for too long. A 1 or a 2 pass is good enough for me when I use the straightening comb. Alright, so this brand is Andes, and trust me, this work well. Alright, not sponsored by any of these brands, but if it work well, I'm going to tell you about it. So I did go ahead and section off my hair. The majority of it is up here. I did a section at the back, and then I take a little section away from it where I'm going to start my work. Do not do this in big chunks because you want your hair to do good. I know it's gonna take you some time, but that's what you got to do to get it perfectly wet. So it's time for me to pass this through. So you're going to go close to the root. Don't let it catch your scalp. Slightly slant your comb so the back of it will be passing through your hair, and that's the section that will be straightening your hair, the back of the comb. Alright, so let me do that over. Take it now from under and pass it through. So if you have someone to help you do this, that would be even better for you, because at least that way you will be getting a better work. Alright, so as you can see, that's super straight, and I'm just going to continue to do this, and then I'll show you the finishing of my hair. So I'm just going to go on to the next section here and continue. So it's just like that. You don't need a lot of pass through when you're doing it this way. Alright, slightly bend it, and then you use the back of the comb while you're holding the end to pass through the hair. So I'm holding this section now because I'm close to the end, and now I'm just going to go through it. Alright, and you see that straight. So I'm just going to just finish up everything and then show you the finishing of that section. So I complete the straightening with the straightening comb. You can leave your hair like this if you choose, because it is feather light at this moment, but I'm going to pass it through with the flat iron and then wrap my hair, and then I'll show you the finishing of it tomorrow. But I'm going to go through the flat iron technique right now. Pass off a section of my hair, put it up, and I tell you, my hair feels so light right now, super light. It's not heavy at all, easy to manage. And I'm going to give the end a little twist and clip it down. So take your comb, part off a small section, and then you're going to take your flat iron, put it on that section and straighten. One more pass. And your hair is supposed to be looking like this, feather light. Alright, so that's what you're going to do to every section. Part it small and then just run through it with the flat iron. So I'm gonna continue to do this and I'll show you the finishing result, y'all. So I'm gonna continue. I'm going to wrap my hair now, and as you can see, my hair is feather light. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap my hair tonight. So this is the finishing of it, guys. Super cute. Tell me, what's the difference between a relax now and a silk press, right? So if you haven't followed me, make sure that you are following me if you want more tutorial like this. Alright, give you a little close up. See, there's no extension there, guys. This is my hair. This is my hair. Alright, so peace out. Love you guys. Until next time.